Welcome back, guys. In the previous video, I was talking about the Mediterranean magic of Barceloneta Beach, and this one continues that discussion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all new notifications. At the heart of Barceloneta's allure lies the simple pleasure of sunbathing. Stretching out on a plush towel or lounging in a rented beach chair, visitors surrender to the therapeutic embrace of warm Mediterranean sunlight. With each passing moment, the stresses of daily life melt away, replaced by a profound sense of serenity and contentment. Whether you're indulging in a leisurely siesta or losing yourself in the pages of a good book, the beach offers a sanctuary of relaxation amidst the rhythm of the waves. In essence, Barceloneta Beach transcends its role as a mere stretch of coastline, evolving into a vibrant tapestry of experiences that celebrate the joys of seaside living. From spirited volleyball matches to the timeless allure of sunbathing, each moment spent here is a testament to the enduring magic of the Mediterranean. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a taste of Barcelona's vibrant beach culture, Barceloneta beckons with open arms, ready to weave its spell upon all who wander its shores. So guys, have you been to this beach, or do you have plans to visit it? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for staying connected and watching.